Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I create my summer friendly makeup, but today I have focused on the color yellow. I know few of brown girls who always hesitate to wear yellow because of their skin complexion mainly. Today I will show you how any brown girl can just rock this beautiful color. So let's get started with our new intro which we have made recently. Hope you guys will like it. As usually, I'm starting with a primer. This is Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Matte Face Primer. It is very good. Believe me, it is very good for oil controlling purposes. Now, jumping with the foundation, I'm using Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Foundation. I will mention the shade in the description box. This is very good for dry skin, or you can say for oily skin also, but I have a combination skin, so it works nicely on my face. I'm using a stippling brush. This is also from Wet n Wild. You can say that this entire video is based on Wet n Wild products, but no, it is not a sponsored video. Whatever, I'm just putting some lipstick on my lips because I don't want to show you guys my bloodless face. And for concealers, I'm using my favorite Fit Me concealers. First, I will use a shade which is very close to my skin color. Then I will blend it with a brush so that I don't get any crease or something like that. Try. And after that I will use a highlighting concealer which will brighten up the areas where I want the attraction to get in, and I want the light. Okay, I was playing music in my room while doing this makeup, so pardon if I just lip sync, whatever. After blending I am almost ready with the base. Now I will secure the entire concealer thing with Fit Me loose powder. I'm using a sponge so that it bakes the entire makeup nicely. And now I will show you a little magic. Boom! I'm done with my eyebrows. So here I'm dusting off the powders, and literally I did the eyebrow, but I'm not showing you guys because then the video would be so long. It would be really difficult for you guys to catch up. So I will move on to my contour. For my contour, I'm using Miss Claire's single eyeshadows because I am quite very comfortable with this. And these brushes are quite general brushes. You will get them easily in Amazon. They are not any high-end brand brushes. I'm doing a very basic contouring just to warm up my face, just a bronzing texture. Now I will add blushes. This blush palette is from e.l.f. I had this broken blush palette in my makeup vanity and I haven't used it for quite a long period. For my eyes, I'm using eyeshadow palette from Yukanbe. It's Fruits Pie Filling Palette. Now starting my eyes, I'm a bit nervous, but I will try my level best. I'm taking this shade. You can see this cute emoji. I'm taking that shade and I'm contouring my eyes. Yes, I'm just making my socket and everything a bit prominent because otherwise I would look like I'm wearing a mask or something like that. So I will be a bit gentle with this shade, and also I don't want a very huge amount of this particular shade. I want yellow to pop up, right? So I'm using a good amount of yellow. Here I'm using Pro Earthe PE19 brush, or I will give you another option also, just you will see right now. I am using this fluffy dense brush also so that I get a very pigmented yellow on my eyelid. You can even see how this color is looking good on my skin tone. Like, yellow is such a color which goes with any kind of skin tone. In my school, I had few girls who used to tell me that, oh my god, girl, you're so dark, please stay away from yellow. But I had been always like, dude, yellow is my favorite color, how can I get over it? I had few friends who told me, girl, please help us, we are so dark, we cannot walk with yellow. And I have always told them, dude, just be calm and see how can you work with it. This video is for them, honestly. Now I have jumped to my eyeliner, if you guys have noticed, and honestly I couldn't draw a single line of eyeliner. My sister Sayantika, you guys know, she taught me how to draw a wing liner patiently. If you have a bit of concentration and a bit of patience, then you can draw beautiful wings on your eyelid. And now I will quickly repeat the entire wing kind of a thing on my other eyes, and I will come back. So you can see how the entire look just flipped up with the touch of wing liner. Now I'll use a highlighter because you know I love glowy makeup. I love some shimmers because my eyes are also matte. My entire makeup was so matte. I wanted to add some glow. You can see the highlighter. This highlighter is from Wet n Wild, and guys, I just love the glow. Just look at the glow, man. The Mega Glow highlighter from Wet n Wild is one of my favorite highlighter. Like whenever I use highlighter, always I try to use this particular thing because it is the best. It is the best. Now my look is more or less done. It was pretty short and simple. Now I'm just doing my lipstick. This lipstick is from Wet n Wild. The shade is very recognized and I am a great fan of it. Just look at the cute plumpy pinky shade. Amra kintu mone prane bangali. So always I try to add some bong features to my makeup looks. Here I am using a black bindi to bring that bong kind of feeling through my look. We make videos in English and Hindi mainly just to make sure that everyone from India understand our videos and our language. Now this particular jewelry is a self-made jewelry. It's a fabric jewelry, and we have a small online boutique where we sell this kind of self-made handmade jewelry. So if you want to know anything, any details about this particular jewelry, you can check the description, the links of our boutique. And you can see my skin color is not at all a barrier for the color of makeup I'm choosing. So here it is, and bye bye guys. Hope to see you all soon, and if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe.